is the kingdom of Kritunga, which lies in the lap of nature. The kingdom used to flourish with paddy fields, and people used to live happily over there. The kingdom was ruled by King Vijay Sethupathi, who is known for his bravery and kindness. The kingdom was secured by Vikram, who led his army. One day, the king came to know about the black magician, who was performing human sacrifices and other inhuman activities for his greedy wishes. The king ordered Vikram to get the black magician to the court, and he did, as said. The king punishes the black magician by sentencing him to death. Black magician then cursed the kingdom, saying the entire kingdom will be filled with evil forces. After a few days, the kingdom started facing severe drought. People starved, and most of them left the place. In such a situation, a sadhu then came to the king's court and explained him that the king should use the Navabhasana stone coming to him from his ancestors and turn into an idol of Subramanya Swami. He also tells the sculptor will come and carve an idol. As he said, the next day a sculptor came to the kingdom and asked the king to provide him a place where no one disturbs him for 5 days and no one observes his creation. The king accepted and appointed Vikram to look after the work. On the last day, someone looks into the work area and the sculptor notices it, and he disappears and the idol blasts into 5 pieces. The king comes to know about this through Mantri. Vikram is not in the kingdom from the day this incident took place. The sadhu explains the king that it was the black magician who killed Vikram and saw the making of the sculpture. He also says that it is only Vikram who can bring the pieces of idol back to its origin inside the temple. In our next episode, play along with Vikram, solve the puzzle and help Vikram to get the 5 pieces of the idol back to the temple. Visit our website vikramadventures.weebly.com. Be a part of our adventure.